Hello all, this is a Stubby fan update. So you all remember how we were experimenting with the planetary gear system, but the main issue was that the sun gear on the inside was taking the brunt of all the force and getting destroyed. Well, I hadn't had nylon 6 yet, so what I was thinking was, since I removed the rear mass from this fan so that it could be spun from behind rather than having a low pressure turbine, I'm going to adapt this carrier, which holds the planetary gear system, to the back of this. And I'm going to drive it with a 190 kilovolt scooter motor that I found. And now that, coupled with the planetary gear at a 4-to-1 ratio, is going to give me roughly 30,000 RPMs because it's 92, I think it's like 9,200 RPM, somewhere around there, for the standard motor velocity. So at a 4-to-1, we're looking at close to a good estimate with the fan resistance, about 30,000 RPMs, 30 to 32,000. So now that I know I have the nylon 6, and I don't know why I didn't try this before, I'm gonna do these planetary gears out of nylon 6, and we're gonna see if they last any longer. I've got a brand new gear casing here out of PETG. It won't take the brunt of the damage. It's always that sun gear. So we've not only removed the mass from the back of the fan, we have decided to integrate the 4-to-1 gear ratio to the rear. Now I could go up to 16-to-1 just by adding another carrier on this because I have the room for it. But we'll see how it goes with 4-to-1, and we'll see how that scooter motor actually pushes it, and see if we can drive this thing, right? I think that'll give me some significant thrust. You're looking at anywhere from 50 to 55 pounds of thrust with the calculations at a 4-to-1, given the style of this fan, pitch, blade angle, tip speed, so on and so forth. So that's going to be our next experiment, because that Stubby fan works great with the 600 kV, but I need more RPMs, I need more thrust. So that's what we're going to try and do. 4-to-1, 30,000 RPMs. And hope the PETG can handle it. So stick around for that. It's going to be fun.